Hey everyone, thanks for joining. In this tutorial we are going to be making a fun and easy birthday card. I hope you enjoy it.
The supplies that we're using is Canson XL mixed media sheet. It's roughly 5.5 by 7.5. I have Ecoline liquid watercolors. I have water. I also have a 0.4mm waterproof pen. I have a size 5 Curry's 2500 series round brush. I also have two Posca markers, gold and black. I was not sure which one I was going to use, so I had them both there. And I also have paper towel. Now we're going to use the waterproof pen and start drawing in the balloons. You can do as many as you want, different sizes and different shapes. It's completely up to you. I'm going to stick with oval type balloons. So we're just going to draw ovals and then a sort of like a triangle for the mouthpiece. And I'm just going to continue to draw these balloons until I feel like I have enough to cover the page. Now that the balloons are drawn, I am going to add the string to each of the balloons. They're going to be different lengths and curving different ways. I'm not doing them straight down because it won't look natural. I'm using the waterproof pen just to add a marking on the side of each of the balloons. Usually it's a white area where the light is reflecting off of it, but I'm just going in with the black waterproof pen. Now I'm going to use the brush and the paints to paint in each of the balloons. I have a bunch of different colors here of the Ecoline liquid watercolors, so I decided to do one color for each balloon. You can do all one color, you can just do two colors, you can do different designs, it's completely up to you. To start, I am using the sky blue, and we're just going to paint in the whole balloon. You'll see that I forget to paint in the little mouthpiece at the bottom, but I will go back to that. So when you're painting, just make sure you remember to paint that in as well. The next color that I'm using is the ultramarine violet. It's a bluey purple. The close-up it looks more dark blue than purple. I am also speeding this up just a little bit just to make it go by a little quicker. The next color that I'm using is Scarlet, a nice red. And then we're going to go in with magenta. The next color that we're using is Blue Violet. It's a nice light purple. And then we are using Lemon Yellow. And this one here is too watered down for me, so I ended up getting the jar and adding more, like the pure liquid on it to make it stand out nice and bright. Okay, so the next color that we're using is green, and it is called Light Green. It's nice and bright, like a lime green. And then finally, I'm using light orange. Alright, so now that the balloons are dried, I decided to use the gold Posca marker. I'm writing in Happy Birthday, and the H and the B are going to be big letters. You'll also notice there with the Posca markers, you have to shake them and push down on the point to get the ink to come out so that it's not dry. And yeah, so I just wrote Happy Birthday, nice and easy, and then I was looking at it, and it looks good, but to me, I just wanted a little bit more. It just looks too simple for me. It's not what I was going for. So I decided to take the Posca marker and add these star type things all around. Just add some glittery sparkles around, add a little bit more detail, eye-catching. Again, it's totally okay if you want to just keep it simple. It's completely up to you. It's not what I wanted, and I actually like how this turns out. So I just kind of put them all around, leaving some white space in between, not going too crazy, but I put enough in that it just added to the card, and I really liked it. Okay, so I like how this turned out. It was fun, simple, and I think it looks great. Nice for any type of birthday. You just glue this onto a card, or you can scan and upload it and then create it into a card and get it printed.